Our course is for students or people that are interested in fashion, but they don't want to make, so they don't want to be a fashion designer. USW, it's a great place to come and explore fashion, and it's for those people that really have got a creative side, but then they've also got a more sort of business focus. You know, a huge development and evolution of fashion right now is digital fashion and creating avatars and creating virtual catwalks and the metaverse. So, you know, really exciting part of the industry. And then also the collaboration that happens between our course and other courses extends from things like working alongside the fashion design students, getting access to the studios, looking at how clothing moves and, you know, how things are fit together, and really understanding fashion from the garment construction point of view. Because even though we don't teach our students to make, they do need to understand how clothing and fabrics work. The opportunities for students on the course are really broad, and they range from working as a content creator, working in digital marketing, working in, you know, traditional marketing, and also being a buyer, merchandiser. And our students end up in, you know, all sorts of different roles.